how to log in to Instacart account. So if you want to log into your Instacart account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Instacart. Once you've searched, here you can go for the first search, which is www.instacart.com. And now to log into your account, you can go for login, which is on the upper right. And now to log into your account, you can continue with your Google, your Facebook, or you can continue with your phone number, or you can also enter your email address. So I'll be entering my email address on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the second blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password, which has that reset option. You can simply click on reset so that you need to enter your email address and you can reset your password. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for sign up so that you can create your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to sign in or log into your account, then enter your email address and your password and click on login. And once you click on login, it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Instacart account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.